guys. Everyone's lining up to see it. Hi guys! I know the start of this video is really late. It's currently 8:20. I just thought I wanted to like pick up the camera and talk to you guys. I already did my night care routine and right now I just finished like writing in my journal and everything. Oh, if you guys were wondering, like I wanted to try little like heatless curls. Like since I cut my hair, I don't want to use heat at all. I'm trying to really cut back on any heat. I barely used heat before I cut my hair, but now I'm for sure not using any heat. Like I'm not even blow drying my hair. Like I'm just letting it air dry and everything. All right, so tomorrow I already wrote it out on my planner. Right now I have down, we're going back to the mall again. We're going to H&M because I need some work pants, which sounds really crazy because people would just think to just wear like your regular like black pants. I don't own black pants. Like I don't own any black jeans. I don't wear skinny jeans. I don't wear jeans at all. I don't have black pants. Like it's very odd and crazy to think that I don't have black pants because I used to have like a bunch, but I did give them all away. So I was like, you know what, that's on me. And then I also have to go to Sephora because I'm thinking about just buying like the whole shebang for the 𝗀𝗶𝘃. I think that's what they call it. 𝗀𝗶𝘃 is like a really good brand. Whenever I get it, I'll show you guys. It's really pricey, but honestly, like I'll put the money out for it because I just put money out for my hair. Like you just gotta keep going. Sleep in this for no reason now. Oh, okay, wait. Don't look at me yet. I'm trying to like it, but I can't. I'm going to get up. I'm gonna go do my morning care routine and I'll see you guys after my workout. So when I'm in the car. Hi guys, okay, so I finished working out and I realized that I never showed you guys this, but I bought a 23andMe. It's like a DNA ancestry and trait kit. I bought like the cheapest one because I just want to know like what am I made of, you know? They give you this, so let me see it really quick. Spit into the funnel into the amount of liquid saliva, not bubbles, reaches the blue line. What? Where's the line? Oh, to here. You guys see it? Sorry, I'm in my mom's room. It's like not that great lighting, but my room doesn't have lighting right now. Oh, this is gross. I need to get my like mouth to be saliva. What's the salivated? Is that the word? Sunshine and ravioli. Okay. This is hard. Okay, there's bubbles. I need the bubbles to go down. Oh wow, that was a lot, Jen. Oh, did I do it? Did I do it? Is that the line yet? Hold on. Okay, let me do it one more time. There's bubbles in it. Guys, I think I fucked it up. Bro, they screwed this on real tight, bro. This is kind of exciting because like I really want to know what my DNA is. Am I really Asian? Like am I just Asian? Am I really half French? Because my sister DNA said that we're half French and German. So we'll come back to this in 7 weeks, which is a real long time. I'm probably gonna forget about it, to be honest. Okay guys, so I'm trying to grow out my nails this length right now. I don't know if you can see it. It's to the length that I really want to like snip it off. I cannot stand the length of my nails right now. Like I totally want to just get the nail clipper and just clip it off, but I want to grow it out so I can shape it into like the oval pretty shape. Okay guys, so we have a problem. H&M is open till 11 for some reason. This is cute. I'm in Forever 21 right now. It's kind of cute. But it's like, I feel like it's too girly for me. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, I literally came to the mall right when it opened, and I had to literally walk around. I had to walk around Forever 21, and I had to kill like an hour because H&M didn't open till I think 11. If I would have known, I wouldn't have came at 10. All right, guys, I had to make a pit stop to my sister's house because if you guys don't know, there's this little like hair salon store that you can only get in if you have a card. So she gave me her little card thingy so I can go. Originally I was gonna go to Sephora, but because that place does sell things like for a lot cheaper, I'm gonna go there. I'm in the car. Oh my gosh, I don't look horrible today. I have to go and drive to IKEA. IKEA opens at 10, so I don't mind waiting, and it's 9:35. It takes me like what, 20 minutes to get there, so I will see you guys probably later. I want to get Starbucks too, so we can go and get a Starbucks run. Guys, I went to Walgreens to pick up my developed like film that I brought in, and they're so good. I have like the CD stuff, so most of my photos are in the CD. These photos are so cute. Like, look, I have these when my sister came home and like all of my family, and then my graduation. It's so cute. Oh, I love the photos. All right, I need to go to IKEA now and then the mall after because the mall doesn't open till 11. But I'm so excited. I can't wait to post these photos on my freaking story. What do I want? I don't know what to get. Am I the only one that doesn't like chai lattes? Like, chai lattes are gross.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks.
Can I get a venti matcha latte? Ice.
Got it. Can I get you anything else?
Can you do that with like almond milk instead?
Sure. All right, Jennifer, I'll see you around for $5.97.
All right, thank you. All right, guys, I am going to drive home, and this is gonna be it for this week's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Everyone be safe out there and wear a mask, okay? See you guys next week. Bye.